Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to focus on ratio once again. I would have previously posted a video on ratio. This will be a follow-up. You are going to see some of the same concepts being repeated. What is a ratio? A ratio compares two or more values. Okay? A ratio says how much of one thing there is compared to another thing. We are going to simplify ratio. We are going to write ratio using sentences, phrases, or statements, whatever we will be given. We are going to find missing parts of ratio as well in this brief video. Again, all of the concepts covered are in partial fulfillment of the BJC mathematics. You will be required to master these concepts in order to successfully complete questions that you will be asked to answer. You may pause at any time, you may return, and you may also post your questions or comments, concerns, or queries below. Remember, we are only using one of the methods in which we can successfully do what is required with reference to ratio. Here we have 4 blocks, 3 of one color, orange, and 1 of a different color, purple. How can we write this in math? Orange to purple. And remember, ratio can be written in 3 different ways. This is just one of the ways. 3 to 1. Alright, we can also say there is 1 purple square to 3 orange squares. Okay? Let us go from here. What I will ask you to do is to look at each of these and write the ratio. Let us look at number 1. Let us read our instruction. Write the ratio of green squares to white squares. What will you write for part A? Will it be 5 to 1? Will it be 1 to 5? Will it be 1 to 6? Will it be 5 to 6? Let us see. 5 to 1. There are 5 green squares and 1 white square. The same exact concept is applicable to all of number 1 and number 2. Let us look at one more together. Number 1b. Is it 4 to 7? Is it 7 to 4? Is it 3 to 7? What is it? Is it 4 to 3? Is it 3 to 4? Let's see. 3 to 4. There are 3 green squares and 4 white squares. Do you think you get a pattern now? Complete the others before you view the answers. Alright? 1 through 4. Attempt them first and then view the answers. These are the answers. If you differ, kindly post your comment and we will discuss. Thank you. Moving right along. A ratio can be scaled up and down. Please note. Here is the ratio. 3 oranges to 1 purple. Yes. We can scale it up or we can scale it down. If we scale it up in this case, it means that we are looking at something that is equivalent, as we would have done with equivalent fractions. If you remember, it's a similar concept. If we scale up, we can multiply both of them by 2. We can double the quantity of oranges and double the quantity of the purple squares. All right. Another example. How many blue do we see? How many red do we see? How many tins are red? How many tins are blue? Red to blue. So we count. We get 4 to 2. But is that in its simplest form? I don't think so. Let's see. We can further reduce. So we identify the highest common factor, and that is what we are going to divide both sides by. So we will divide 4 by 2, and we will also divide 2 by 2. Good, so we scaled down in this case. This was scaling down. We reduced to its simplest form. All right. Another example. Why not pause the video at this stage? Complete your answer by writing your answer and then simplifying where possible. Having done that, then you continue to look at this video. Kindly pause. Alright, here we go with our solution, black to white. 3 to 9. Are we able to simplify? Is this already simplified for us? No, it's not. So we divide. We scale down. Alright? There are 2 more examples here. Kindly pause the video at this time and complete both. We want to simplify 3 to 9 and then 25 to 30. Let us look and calculate. Did you get these 2 answers? You should have. If you differ, let's discuss. Exercise 1. Once again, I encourage you to pause the video here, complete the 5 questions, and then view the answers. Solution time. Let's go. How did you perform? Did you answer all of them correctly? Well, I hope so. And if you did, well done. Examples again. We want to find the missing number. 12 goes to 7. 12 is mapped onto 7. 12 has been increased to 36. What did we do with 12 to get 36? That same exact operation is the same thing we will do with 7, which is to multiply by 3. Where did we get 3 from? 12 goes into 36 3 times. That's where we got the 3 from. Pause the video, complete example number 5. Here we go with our solution. Multiply by 25. Alright. Let's look at another example here. Boy to girl. And finally, we're going to complete these 5 questions. You're to pause the video. Alright? You pause the video. Answer all of them in your notebooks. Then return and continue to play the video where you are now going to do a self-check. Okay? Be honest with yourselves. Solution time. Our missing numbers are How many did you answer correctly? Did you gain 100%? If not, I hope you need some additional practice, and you can get this practice by answering some additional questions. You may ask me for additional questions. Yes, I'm going to provide you with them, or you may answer those from your textbooks. Okay? Good luck.